as you can see, maintenance reminder. That means oil change. I need to do my oil. We're starting off with is an oil change, and then we are going to finally install these subframe collars. Probably going to finish up the rear for me in terms of bracing and suspension parts and stuff. Oh, actually I need to install my toe bolts. Oh, it never stops. Just going to do a quick oil change. I'll smash through that, and then we'll go ahead and install these subframe bushings, and hopefully they actually make a difference. Yeah, so I'll talk a little bit more about the subframe bushings, or the subframe collars I should say. I'll talk a little bit more about that when we get onto it, and yeah, so just gonna smash out this oil change and then we get on to the good stuff. Hey. Hello. Longer, a little bit longer, but now we're going to add some mods that we can thrash with. A little bit about these subframe collars. I got the ones from GK Tech, made out of polyurethane. You can get metal ones, or you can get full replacement subframe bushings. Stiffens the rear subframe up a little bit more, so the stock bushings are a bit more reinforced. At the moment in the rear I've got diff brace, diff bushings, like the diff to subframe bushings. I think that's about it for the bracing in the rear. At the moment it's very planted, but just to secure it just a little bit more, to eliminate any wheel hop that there still is, install these. These are, I think, the last bushing bits for the rear that I want to do. After this it's done in the rear, I'm pretty sure. I mean, it's never done, but I tried this the first time, but you need deep sockets and I didn't have any, so get yourself a rail of like deep sockets and use them. I think there's like 4-5 braces you need to take off. The difference between these and what I have in the car at the moment, it'll be a little bit of a difference. There won't be much of a difference, just that small nuances when you're driving. Let's get into it and let's get this done. As we're working on the rear, we have to obviously jack up the rear. This weather is really bipolar right now. Like, it was literally just raining so hard just then, and now look, the sun's out and it's hot. Anyways, so we have to take off a bunch of braces. This brace here that holds this bit of the subframe, this V brace here, and this W brace here with the holes, and this bit here we have to take off. You're gonna need your jack as well to prop up the diff and hold the diff up, because you're going to be lowering the subframe, which will drop the diff. I'm just going to lay out where all the bushings are going to go and where they're supposed to go, and then we'll start taking stuff off. Our good friends at GK Tech, Australian made, put these into these little bags, which was pretty nice. They always give like 15,000 stickers in one box. I mean, I'm not complaining. Now I got like 1,000 GK Tech stickers. Anyways, I volunteer as tribute to be sponsored by GK Tech. So if you guys do watch my videos, please, I'll be more than happy to be a guinea pig. I know you already have your 370Z, but I'm right here. Let's work together. Let's work together. This is the front and this is the rear, obviously. These Castle C's with the little ridge top of the rear. That's for the rear, with the cups there at the bottom of the front, and these are the top of the front. Done. We're set. Done. Job done. Okay, bye. Now I need to stop procrastinating and actually do some work. with no ridges on top. That just slides pretty much just right in. There's no real way to put it, I guess, because there's no actual ridges inside the bushing. The same with this one. So with this, the flared out bit goes pointing down, so you just put it in and it's already so snug. Look at that. Bang, look at that. No wheel hop anymore. That's so tight. Look at that. I can't even move with my hands. How's the car gonna move it if I can't even move with my hands? Front, finish, front's done. Let's go to the rear. This is where the Batarang thing goes. This is the other C one with the ridges. The ridges go down and into the slot. This is the rear of, hello. This here is the rear of the car. So I'm on the passenger side, on the left side of the car. So you want the open bit to be facing the opposite side of the car. So if you're working on the left, the open bit points to the right. Just because there's metal ridges in there and the openings are where there's no ridges. With these bat wings here, they go with the ridgy side into the bushing and the flat side pointing down. It's pretty straightforward. If you're good at comprehension in English, you just fill in the gaps. Exact same exercise, just like that. When I was starting this, I was going to do just the rear, zap the rear back in, and then go to the fronts. But with these, you kind of have to do these last bushings in here and then put the brace that goes across at the same time, if that makes sense. It's because as much as you push this in any order, it doesn't stay in there. So you need that brace in while this sits in. If not, it's just going to fall. I've gotten smacked so much by Batman today. It's not fun because these are pretty hard. And now we just got to put everything back together and then we are out of here. I'm actually keen to see how this feels. Probably go for a drive. I'll tell you guys on the drive and I'll try to explain to you what I feel in the car. I know it's hard, but yeah. Actually, it wasn't a hard job. Really wasn't. It only took like 2 hours. On a drive, I've only gone about like 50-60 kilometers an hour. Haven't really felt a difference. We are going to do some pulls and we'll see if there is any difference. Second gear. Yo, I don't know if you guys saw that, but that put me back in my seat, dude. What? Okay, so why would you spray? Oh, look at that, inconsiderate. It's not a huge difference, but it's a noticeable difference from a driver's point, like a driver's standpoint. Let's do another one. Let's go! I'm so happy about this. This is so good. There's like, oh, I don't know if it's like first drive placebo effect, but right now, like, power's instant, right? Like, from when you put your foot down to when you feel the car go. Oh, brother! Let's go! Yo, it's so responsive. I just spat. That's how excited I am. Another second gear, right? Yo. Yeah, brother. Yeah, brother. This is it, baby. This is it. Thank you so much for watching the video. Hope you guys are still enjoying the content, enjoying the videos, and if you guys are new here, welcome aboard. Thank you so much for subscribing, everyone, new, old. Thank you so much. As I said, we are keeping the videos going with the Z. It doesn't matter that we have a new car, we're still doing mods to the Z. Now we got 2 cars to work on, so that means more content and different content, and yeah, different build but same vibe. See you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.